So Movado's son have been charged with murder, and the plot thickens. And it says the 16-year-old son of dancehall entertainer David Brooks, otherwise called Movado, has been charged by detectives with murder, conspiracy to murder, arson, shooting with intent, illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition for the murder of Lorenzo Thomas, committed on June the 5th. It also says another suspect who has also held in connection with the investigation is still in custody, but his identity is still being withheld pending further investigation. Wow. And this was posted on the Jamaica Constabulary Force Twitter moments ago. Official Twitter, verified Twitter, I might add. So you guys can take it for what it is. They just put the information out there, we just speak on it. And I see a lot of people already talking on social media about you can't take them out of the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of them, and this is what we call bad parenting and all that. No one can judge because no one knows exactly what happened and what's going on. But all I have to say is, Movado, your money have to go long for this one, yeah, and you are going to have to foot the bill for this one. But quite frankly, I wish him nothing but the best. This is no position that any parent would want to ever be in, especially with a judicial system like Jamaica's and the way that they treat entertainers in our judicial system. So it's sticky. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this. Do you think that something else is going to happen? Do you think Movado is actually gonna get charged with something? Comment what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.